Schools across the Tennessee Valley are taking different approaches when it comes to addressing the new CDC guidelines, which include more mask leniency for vaccinated people. Channel 3's Angela Kim joins us from Red Bank Elementary with a summary of these different plans. Angela.
Hey Cindy, that's right. Well, here in Hamilton County, schools are still requiring students to wear a mask, even though these guidelines have changed nationally. Now, we've spoken to other school districts as well, and those places are not requiring masks, but they are recommending them. And one common theme we've seen with all these schools we've talked to today is they are not changing their guidelines for the rest of the 2020 to 2021 school year.
We found that it's worked. We have it has worked, so it's not broken. Don't fix it.
David Brown with the Meigs County School District is wrapping up a unique year from the pandemic. He says when it comes to guidelines for students and teachers, nothing will change.
We have not had a student mask mandate. We've had a teacher requirement, and I don't think we're going to change that.
Recommending but not requiring masks is the case for other school districts, like in Grundy County, Ray County, Dade County, and Walker County. Other areas like Dalton Public Schools are requiring masks but are looking to potentially loosen protocols in the future. Some areas like Cleveland City Schools, Dalton Public Schools, and Sequatchie County Schools have board meetings planned to discuss potential changes to guidelines, but say nothing is set in stone.
Teachers are required to be masked when they're within 6 feet of a child, or if the child is masked, then that distance can be reduced to 3 feet.
With new social distancing guidelines as well, the only district changing those guidelines is the Walker County School District. Brown says with Meigs County schools, cases of COVID are low, and the current guidelines seem efficient at keeping students safe.
It's typically because they haven't sheltered in place, so to speak. Someone will be quarantined and they haven't isolated at home.
As the school year wraps up, we also asked all the school districts if graduation plans would change. All of the ones we got in touch with, Hamilton, Grundy, Marion, Ray, Dade, Walker, Cleveland City, Dalton Public Schools, they all say graduations will move forward as planned to, with social distancing guidelines in place and a majority hosted outdoors. Now, in total, we managed to get in touch with about half of the school districts here in our area, but of course, you can see a full list of their guidelines inside our WRCB app, and we will update that as more school districts get back to us. But in terms of next year's guidelines, all these school districts say that they will be working on that in the future, and those guidelines are not set yet. For now, reporting in Red Bank, Angela Kim, Channel 3 Eyewitness News. Cindy?